Did you know 90% of decision makers say if you don't digitally transform your business in the next few years, you're out of business? So what are these? We've been networking like crazy the last few weeks since Goldlist has gone live, and we've been finding so many businesses printed advertising in all these different magazines, and we can't understand why. Have you not seen there's a massive digital boom going on Facebook, Instagram, Gary V, Billy Jean's marketing, Grant Cardone, 10x your business. All they're doing is telling you guys, digitally transform your business. If you don't, there's going to be problems. So are you listening to them? And are you listening to us? Because we're in this revolution right now. We've created Goldlist so that you can take your marketing out of these magazines into the digital world. We're joining forces with people like Facebook. We're on that same level now. So you need to change the way that you do your marketing. There's no need for magazines anymore, guys. This is the past. If you're not moving with the future, you're going out of business. We don't want you out of business. We want you on Goldlist. We want to support you retailers and everyone out there in business so that you can get new clients directly through to this great app. The future is here. The future is Goldlist. This stuff isn't lasting any longer. And not only that, it's costing you a hell of a lot of money to advertise in these things. Invest that money elsewhere. Get it into Facebook ads, Instagram, even Google ads and YouTube videos. Do what you need to do to digitalize your business. Join us on Goldlist. We're at the very start of this amazing journey, and you're going to be along it for the ride, and we can't wait to have you on there. iOS store, punch in Goldlist, download it now, get your business added for free. This is the future, guys.